let's see the implementation of heading level tags. These are container tags, so we have to include start and end tag. First, we will see the implementation for h1 tag. So I'm adding start and end h1 tag. As an example, I'm adding heading 1. Let's check the output by clicking on green triangular arrow. You can observe the output window. Similarly, we will implement h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6 heading tags. So on the next line, I am adding h2. Contents I am adding as heading 2. Next h3. Contents as heading 3. Next h4. Next h5. Next h6. Contents as heading 6. Now let's check the output for all 6 heading level tags by clicking on green triangular arrow. As we have seen in the description that h1 tag will always display text with largest font size and h6 will display the text with smallest font size. So as per our requirement, we can add headings in the web page. Now we will see the implementation of align attribute of these heading level tags. Attributes are always added to the start tag. First, we will add align attribute for h1 tag. So we have to click inside start h1 tag. Then we have to put one space and then we have to write attribute name, that is align. Then we have to put is equal to symbol. Then inside double quotes, we have to assign the value for it. 3 valid values for align attribute are right, left and center. First, we will write right as value and we will see the output by clicking on green triangular arrow. You can observe the output window. As we have assigned right as value, that's why heading 1 is displayed on right hand side. Now we will add value as center. Let's check the output. You can observe now heading 1 is displayed at the center position. Third valid value for align is left. Let's check the output. Now it is displayed on left hand side and left align is the default alignment of the headings. This is how we can implement heading level tags and attribute align in HTML. Let's see the implementation of horizontal ruled line tag. that is HR tag. It is standalone tag, or we can say it is empty tag, so we just have to include start tag. The tag name is HR, initial letters of horizontal ruled line tag. So I'm including start HR tag. If I'll write only HR tag, it will display one horizontal ruled line in the web page. Let's check the output by clicking on green triangular arrow. You can observe one horizontal line is added to our website. Now if I wish to display this horizontal ruled line with particular color, then we need to add color attribute to it. To add attribute, I have to click inside start HR tag. We have to put one space and then we have to write attribute name. It is color if we wish to set particular color for the horizontal ruled line. In HTML, we have to use COLOR whenever we wish to set color and not COLOUR. Is equal to and double quotes we have to write. In double quotes we have to assign value as color name. As an example, I am writing here red. Let's check the output. You can observe now horizontal ruled line is displayed with red color. Now let's see the next attribute for this horizontal ruled line tag, that is width attribute. If we wish to set particular width for the line, then we need to add width attribute. Then we have to put is equal to symbol. Then in double quotes, we have to mention value in percentage. If I'm writing here 50, then I need to add percentage symbol. Now this 50% means 50% of entire width. Let's check the output. Here you can observe it is displaying the horizontal ruled line with 50% width, 50% of the actual width of your browser window. So this is a entire width which is considered as 100%, and we have mentioned 50%, so it will take only 50% width of the browser window, and it will display horizontal ruled line at the center position. Now the next attribute of this HR tag is size attribute. If you wish to set thickness of the ruled line, that is horizontal ruled line, then we need to add attribute size. We have to put is equal to symbol, and in double quotes we have to assign value to it. As an example, I am writing here 40 pixels I am providing as size, that is thickness of the HR tag. You can observe the output. Now horizontal ruled line is displayed with red color, with 50% width and with thickness 40 pixels. As per your requirement, you can decide the value for color attribute, for width attribute and for size attribute. And this is how we can implement HR tag with 3 attributes: color, width and size. let's see the implementation of image tag. It is standalone tag, or we can say it is empty tag. So we just have to include start image tag. Here the tag name is img. Normally we use this shortcut for word image, and that is the only tag name. So we just have to include start img tag, that is image tag. Before we start with actual implementation, we have to add one image to our project. To add image in this project, we have to click on files. You can observe now the project name is image tag 1, with which we are working. I need to add one image to it, so I have to click on plus icon. Then I have to select import files, as I have to include image file to this project. After that, image which I wish to include in my project is vivek.jpg, so I'm selecting this image. In your case, you have to select the image which you wish to display in your website. I have added now vivek.jpg. You can observe this image is added to this project. Now, along with this image tag, one attribute is must, means we have to add that attribute, without which image will not be displayed in the website at all. That is source attribute. To add this attribute, we have to click inside start image tag. We have to put one space after the tag name. Then we have to add src, which stands for source of the image. To assign value to this attribute, you have to add is equal to symbol, then double quotes. Inside double quotes, you have to mention the image name. In my case, it was vivek.jpg, so I am writing here vivek.jpg. Here we can directly write name of the image file if it is added to the project, or we can provide path or URL of the image here. Let's check the output. You can observe the screen. Image is displayed in the output window. If we wish to display image with particular height and width, then we can add more attributes like height and width. If we wish to set particular height for the image, attribute name is height. I'm writing height attribute. Then to assign value, I'm adding is equal to symbol. Then in double quotes, I'm mentioning height as 500 pixels. I wish to add one more attribute, as I wish to set the width of the image. So the attribute name is width is equal to, in double quotes, I'm assigning value as 400, as I need to set width as 400 pixels. So now let's check the output for this. You can observe the window. Now image is displayed with the height and width which I have mentioned with the help of attributes. Now next attribute is alt attribute, which stands for alternative text for the image. To add this attribute, again I'm adding one space. I'm writing alt is the attribute name, is equal to, and double quotes. Inside double quotes, you have to add text or the statement which you wish to display alternative to the image. Like, due to some reason, if the image is not getting displayed, or if the image is not supported by the browser, then user can at least view the text. Means alternative text can be displayed. So I'm writing here Vivek College. So if due to some reason this image is not getting displayed, browser will display Vivek College. So user will come to know the image which is not getting displayed was about Vivek College. This is how we can implement image tag in HTML.